She held out her hand, gave me a pocket full of leaves, then ran, started a car. Her face was all red and lazy.
Shit, is she angry?
Well, me, I was just there.
Si subimos hacia el cielo, si caemos hacia el mar, resbalamos confundidos por un efecto visual. No hay distancia, no hay tiempo.
Welcome back to my channel. So, for today's video, bago naman ang ating gagawin. Mag-vlog naman ako kasi medyo napagod na ang aking katawang lupa sa kakagawa ng mga haul. And sobrang dami ko ng haul, kaya vlog naman para chill lang tayo ngayong araw na to. So, ang main task ko ngayong araw is bumili ng furniture and also home decors or mag-canvas. Depende sa availability and kung pasok sila sa taste ko. I decided to renovate this room because of my clothes. Kasi sobrang dami na nila. And ang unang plano ko is magpagawa lang ng closet. Yung malaking closet talaga para magkasya yung mga damit ko. Pero ayun, napunta tayo dito at papalitan ko na lahat ng bagay dito sa kwarto na to. I would do a separate video regarding my room makeover. Pero ngayon, sasamahan nyo kung bumili ng mga kung ano-anong mga bagay. Depende kung may mabili talaga. Ayun, samahan nyo lang ako ngayong araw na to. And yeah, yun lang naman. So this is my outfit for today. Chunky shoes lang ako and then vest, black skirt, tapos white shirt underneath the vest. Tapos baguette bag. So wait. So, may mga dumating tayo ng package. So, before we go, mag-open lang tayo ng package. So, this one, let's open it up. And I think this one is from Sugar Doll. And let's see kung anong pinadala nila. So this is their latest lip collection. It's their lip mousse soft vivid matte lip cream, and they sent me 5 shades. So let's try them all on and tingnan natin kung bagay ba sila, kung pack ba sila or flop, and let's see. So, habang inaantay ko sila, mami, let's try this on. Para hindi naman sayang yung oras ko. So, this one is Billionaire. Oh my gosh, I like this one. So, ganda! I don't know if this one transfers at all. May konting transfer lang siya, pero hindi siya ganun na sobrang nagkakaroon ng transfer. This one is called Sugar Baby. Medyo maputla siya, guys. Medyo maputla siya sa akin. I don't think na this one looks good on me. So what I noticed about this lip mousse is hindi siya drying at all. It's kind of moisturizing. Tapos it's just soft and creamy lang siya when you apply it on your lips. I kind of low-key like this also. Parang lahat na lang, no, girl? So itong lip mousse na to has 10 shades. Yung papakita ko lang sa inyo is 5 shades, and you can buy it for 119 pesos. Oh, ganda! Oh, this is my favorite. This one is called Heartthrob. Ito yung pinaka-favorite ko sa kanilang lahat. So, yung pinaka-favorite ko sa 5 shades na binigay nila sa akin is, so my top 1 is Heartthrob, top 2 is Billionaire, then yung last is Kinda Sexy. And yung pinaka-least na gusto ko is Sugar Baby. Medyo light siya sa akin. So that is all of the 5 shades that they have given me. And if you wanna avail this one, I'll be linking it down below. Their shop, their Instagram, and all of their social media account kung saan nyo sila pwedeng i-follow. So, yung next na package natin is si Scotty. Na, ikaw yung next na package ko. I would really, really love that. You're so cute. So, yung next na package natin is from adorablemess.ph. So, buksan natin siya. Ayan, pati si Scotty curious siya kung anong laman. So, they sent me 3 tote bags. So, ito yung mga informations nila. So, you can find them on Instagram and also sa Shopee. And, ayan. Are you excited, baby? Are you excited? So cute! I asked them if I could customize my tote bags and they said yes. So, ayan yung aking design. It's a vintage, like, oh, don't play with this. It's a vintage na parang 70s, 80s na tote bags and yung mga prints niya, ganyan. Ayan, it's so good. Ang ganda ng quality niya. Yeah, alis na kami. Hi! We're ready. So, ayan, pupunta na kami ng San Fernando, Pampanga. Later, kasi dun lang yung available na mga Home Depot, mga ganyan. Wilcon, ganon. And also yung Japan surplus. Pupunta. Tagalog tayo ngayon. Nasaan tayo ngayon?
Dito tayo
dahil
Naghahanap kami ng tindahan ng Japan.
kaso sarado. Sad. Wala, epic fail. Try na lang next week. Sa isang araw na lang daw yung Japan. Na. Tiles yun na.
Tiles natin.
Binil.
Yung tiles ng binil.
Yan. Ayan.
Sabi
Magkano
54.
yun? 54?
Ba't ang ginagawa mo sa magkano? Yan yung tambing ng ating pandikit. Na.
Vinyl or tiles? Which one? Pagod na. Agad-agad. Wala. Walang napala. $9.5. Kagit daw. Wala din naman double. 9.16 eh. Oh my gosh, ang hirap. Ang hirap magdesisyon. Beauty. 5,000. Wala na naman po, mga kaibigan. Parang wala tayong mabibili ngayon ah. The search is on. Ganap lang naman po mga kaibigan ng tiles. 1,000 per box? Ang init. Iisip namin kung ito bang color na to or ito.